Can we just before we get maybe I was never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want me. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something I ain't heard before. Oh, I've been tricked.